Next is बच्चे evaporation. The impure solution, impure means which contain the mud and dirt, with impurities such as salt as or sugar, we have to heat it till all water evaporates. The impurities is left behind in the evaporating dish. Clear? See, bache, when we heat that in the beaker, so inside the beaker there's impurities present inside the with the water, and when we heat it, evaporation, the impurities, when we heat, all the water evaporates, and the impurities is left behind the evaporating dish. Clear, bache? Next is distillation. The process of distillation involves the following steps. The impure water taken in the flask, here impure water, and when we heat it, impure water in the beaker flask, we can say, on heating, water is converted into the steam, and the steam will, thermometer is apply on here, and steam will go inside this pipe, we can say container, and this will condense, and that water will come in the conical flask. And but the steam is cooled after passing through the condenser, it turns into the liquid form. And the pure water called distillate is collected in the this is the pure water. When we will contain, when we will heat it, steam will come, and steam will convert into the liquid water. Clear, bache? Last topic of this chapter is purification of water. Water is carrying of many diseases. Yes, when they will convert into many diseases, when they having the impurities present in the body. Drinking water need to be purified before using it. Normally, three methods of purification. First is boiling, second distillation, third is chlorination. We will discuss one by one. Boiling. This is the easiest and the most common method to purify water before drinking. Yes, bache. Always now in these days, corona is there. So always doctors are advised to, whenever you have to drink your water, first of all boil it, so that the impurities which are present in the water, they will separate out. Clear? So we must drink water before, we must purify the water before drinking. And boiling kills the germs present in it. Remember that boiling should be continued at least 10 minutes. We have to boil it water for 10 minutes before drinking, so that the impurities present in the water, they will kill the germs. Okay, we can say separate it. Distillation. The water stored through the process of distillation is the purest form of water. It is free from germs. It is widely used as distilled water, as injections, medicines, and car batteries. In that water, we are which water we are distillation water. We can say rainwater. Inside the rainwater is also a distillation water. Okay. Next is chlorination. In this method, tablets of chlorine are added to the container where the water is to be cleaned. Like in our filter, chlorination process is there. Inside the filter, chlorination is process is there, which having a tablets inside it, which will help you to chlorine the water, and chlorine tablets kill germs and make the water pure. Clear? Up, up to this, we have completed our chapter 8, water and air.